welcome to music class again. Today's video is just going to be a short review of our notes. Last week we started learning about music notes. This was familiar to some of us had never heard about music notes before, but either way, these are all of our notes here, and we learned that each note has a name. Just like me and you have a name, each note has a name, and it's important to know them, and each note has a specific number of beats, which either means if the note is long or short. So for this video, I just wanted to do a short review of the notes. I just wanted to remind you what each note's name is and the number of beats that each note gets, okay? So first up, we have our whole note all the way at the end, right? And I introduced to you last week Mama Donut, the whole note, okay? So take a moment to guess. How many beats does Mama Donut, the whole note, get again? If you guessed 4, that is correct. Mama Donut gets 4 beats. And last week we learned how to clap Mama Donut, the whole note. So when we clap the whole note, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Try that with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mama Donut, the whole note, gets 4 beats. Next we have this note over here. Guess what it is? It's a half note. You guessed half note, you are correct. And I introduced you guys to Baby Donut, the half note, right? We remember Baby Donut. Baby Donut was a favorite. So here we have Baby Donut, the half note. Can you remember how many beats Baby Donut gets? If you guessed 2, that is correct. So again, Baby Donut, the half note, gets 2 beats. And this is how we clap Baby Donut. We go like this. 1, 2. Okay, try it with me. Ready, go. 1, 2. Good. Next we have this note right here. Can you guess what it is? If you guessed quarter note, that is correct. We have plum, the quarter note. And how many beats does plum get? You guessed 1, that is correct. Plum, the quarter note, gets 1 beat. And do you remember how to clap plum? When we clap plum, the quarter note, we clap like this. 1, just like that, it's just 1 beat. 1, okay? Try it with me. Ready, go. 1. Very good. And last but not least, we have these guys over here. These are kind of tricky. We talked about these last week. They're kind of tricky. Do you remember the name of this note right here? It would be an 8th note. And we had our friends here, our twin cherries, the 8th notes. And this is where it starts to get really tricky. Do you remember how many beats 1/8 note gets? 1/8 note gets half of a beat. And this doesn't make a lot of sense right now, but we'll start to learn about what this means later on. So, if we clap an 8th note, they go pretty fast. So if we were to clap an 8th note, they would sound like this. Ready? You can do that with me. You can go cherry, 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 right? Because of our little twin cherries. Do that with me while saying cherry. Ready, go. Cherry, 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 cherry. Very good. I'm sure you did great. And last but not least, we had this fun little guy who doesn't get a face, but this was, do you remember? This was our rest, which just means when you see a rest in music, there's no music. So, I hope this helps you to kind of remember our notes. Again, Mama Donut, the whole note, Baby Donut, the half note, Plum, the quarter note, and our twin cherries, the 8th